Hello everyone, students and folks. Welcome again to the second season of our Happy Edu Quiz. Today we have a team from Chukwani Secondary School and another team here is from Mpendae Secondary School. But I'm not alone today. As you can see, I have a strong team behind me. And I would like to give this chance to the quiz mistress to introduce herself. Welcome, quiz mistress.
Thank you. Hello everyone.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine.
My name is Mwanajuma Makameali. I'm the quiz mistress. I welcome you all to Happy Edu Quiz competition. Welcome.
Thank you very much, quiz mistress. Now is the time for the judges and timekeeper to introduce yourselves. Welcome.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
My name is Maria Makami Muhammad. I'm the judge. Thank you.
My name is Salma Hassan. I'm the chief judge. Thank you.
My name is Amina Amor. I am the timekeeper.
Mr. Makame Salim, I'm the summarizer, and what I can tell you right now is I would like to give the chance to quiz mistress to introduce herself and proceed with the quiz that we have today. Welcome, quiz mistress.
Thank you very much. Thank you, summarizer again. Today, in our Happy Edu Quiz, we have 4 participants from Chukwani Secondary School. Clap for yourselves. And also, we have 4 participants from Mpendae Secondary School. Clap for yourselves, students. Now, please, students from Chukwani Secondary School, I want you to introduce yourself, starting with that.
My name is Ramadan Hamis Jabir. I come from Chukwani Secondary School.
Thank you.
My name is Sabrahir Hamis. I came from Chukwani Secondary School.
Thank you.
My name is Hazmi Abdullah Bidahi. I come from Chukwani Secondary School.
Thank you.
My name is Zaina Mohammed. I come from Chukwani Secondary School.
Thank you all students from Chukwani Secondary School. Clap for yourselves. Now, please students from Mpendae Secondary School, introduce yourselves.
My name is Salwa Ali Fadil. I come from Mpendae Secondary School.
Thank you.
My name is Nesroled Hamid. I come from Mpendae Secondary School.
Thank you.
My name is Nawar Salim Ali. I come from Mpendae Secondary School.
Thank you.
My name is Abdul Rashid Ali. I come from Mpendae Secondary School.
Thank you, students from Mpendae Secondary School. I want you to clap yourself. Big clapping. Thank you. Happy Edu Quiz is a game of mind, intellectual, interest, enjoyable. And now here are the rules of the game. So I want you to be very clear to listen so as you can understand the rule of this game. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, now let us start. Okay, thank you. A. Don't interrupt the speaker when he or she speaks. B. Use your time properly to answer the question. C. Use positive language. D. Raise up your hand if you want to say anything or something in this game. And E. Avoid bad emotion. Team, have you understood the rules of this competition?
Yes.
And are you ready for competition?
Yes.
Okay, now let us start. Our Happy Edu Quiz today will be conducted into 4 rounds, which are toss-up, face-to-face, turn-to-turn, and Thunderstorm. Clap for that, students. Now, I'm going direct to our first round of this game. Are you ready?
Yes.
Edu Quiz. Hey, Edu Quiz.
This is the first round of our competition, which is called as toss-up. In this round, we will have 8 questions. Each team will be asked 4 questions. And point will be given when the teams give correct answer. Question will not be repeated to another team. I'm starting with Mpendae Secondary School. I want you to choose the number of the question and then read it, please.
Question number 5.
Question number 5 is, the current president of Kenya is... Answer, student of Mpendae.
Uhuru Kenyatta.
You missed the answer. Now, it is a time for students of Chukwani Secondary School to choose the question number and then read it, please. Only one. Now, please tell us the number that you choose, please.
Number 8.
Student of Chukwani Secondary School has chosen question number 8. I want you to listen very carefully to the question so as you can give us the answer. The instruction of question number 8 is complete each sentence by choosing an, a, or the. The question is, I drank dash cup of coffee, but the coffee was cold. Student of Chukwani Secondary School, answer.
I drank a cup of coffee, but the coffee was cold.
Correct answer. Now, student of Mpendae Secondary School, choose the number of the question. Then I will read the question.
Question number 4.
Student of Mpendae Secondary School has chosen question number 4. Now I want you to listen very carefully to the question so as you can give us answer. Question number 4 is, the gas used to extinguish a fire is
Carbon dioxide.
correct answer. Now, student of Chukwani Secondary School, choose the number of the question and read the question and read the number of the question.
Question number 1.
Student of Chukwani Secondary School has chosen question number 1. Question number 1 is, something that flows like a solid or liquid is called as
Wood.
incorrect. You missed the answer. Now, student of Mpendae Secondary School, choose the number of the question and read the number.
Question number 7.
Student of Mpendae has chosen question number 7. Question number 7 has instruction. Listen very carefully. Then I will read the question. The instruction is, complete each sentence by choosing an, or the. And the question is, what is dash first month of the year? Is it January or February?
There.
Correct answer. Now, student of Chukwani Secondary School, choose the number of the question. Then I will read the question.
Number 3.
Student of Chukwani Secondary School has chosen question number 3. Now listen very carefully to the question so you can give us an answer, any of you. Question number 3 is, what is 1004 divided by 2?
The answer is 501.
You missed the answer. Now, student of Mpendae Secondary School, I want you to choose the number of the question. Then read it, please.
Question number 2.
Student of Mpendae Secondary School has chosen question number 2. The question number 2 is, the arrangement of electron in atomic orbitals of an element is called
Atomic number.
You missed the answer. Now, there's only one question remains. So, tell us the number that is inside. Then we will read the question.
Question number 9.
There's no question number 9. Only 8 questions. So, I think this. Okay. Student of Chukwani has chosen question number 6. Question number 6 is, The current president of USA is?
Donald Trump.
You meet the answers. We have completed the first round. I congratulate to all of you students for best performance. Congratulations to all of you again.
Edu quiz. Hey, Edu quiz.
We are going to the second round. Second round. Are you ready?
Yes.
So now let us start. Okay. Now we are going to the second round. This round is called as face-to-face round. Is what?
Face-to-face round.
Is what?
Face-to-face round.
Okay, in this round, there will be questions which need very quick answer. So the one who rings bell first from any school may be given a chance to answer. So please, I want you to listen very carefully to the question so as you can answer in time. Are you clear?
Yes.
Is it ready? Okay, now let us start. I'm going direct with the question. So the one who rings bell first from any school will get the chance to answer. So I want you to be ready because the marks is going to be on your side to all of you. Okay? Okay. Question number 1 is, what is the next prime number after 7? Student of Mpendae Secondary School answer?
The answer is 11.
Correct answer. Question number 2. The product of 131 times 0 times 300 times 4. What's the answer? You didn't answer in time. Question number 3. An intermediate neuron is also known as You didn't answer in time. Question number 4. Urea is produced in the student of Chukwani Secondary School answer?
Liver.
Correct answer. Question number 5. The atomic number of potassium is? Student of Mpendae Secondary School answer?
6.
Incorrect. You missed the answer. Question number 6. The atomic number of gold is? Student of Chukwani Secondary School answer?
21. 21.
You missed the answer. Question number 7. The process by which a liquid is converted to a gas from the surface at all temperature is known as? Student of Chukwani Secondary School answer?
Condensation.
You missed the answer. Question number 8. A material that allows light to pass through it is known as? Chukwani Secondary School answer?
Transparent materials.
Mpendae Secondary School answer?
Conductor.
Chukwani Secondary School, you correct answer. And in Mpendae Secondary School, you missed the answer. Students and dear listener, viewers, we have completed the second round. I congratulate to all of you for your best performance and competence.
Edu quiz. Hey, Edu quiz.
It is the time of round number 3. It is a round of turn-to-turn round. Is what?
Turn-to-turn round.
Yes, it is a turn-to-turn round. It is a speed game whereby each team will choose the question from the box and read it for another team to answer. So I want you to be ready and all of you get prepared and give cooperation together. Okay?
Yes.
I'm starting with the student of Chukwani. I will start with the student of Chukwani. You will choose the question, then read to another student of Mpendae to answer. Pick only one question.
Question number 6. In the equation for Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to ma. What does A represent?
Student of Mpendae Secondary School, answer.
Acceleration.
Correct answer. Now, student of Mpendae Secondary School, please choose the question and read the question, please.
Question number 1. A planet of the solar system that the sun rise in the west and set in the east is?
Student of Chukwani Secondary School, please answer the question.
Earth.
Incorrect, you made the answer. Now, student from Chukwani Secondary School, please choose the question and read the question.
Question number 2. A planet takes the same number of days for rotation and revolution is?
Student of Mpendae Secondary School, answer the question, please.
Earth.
You made the answer. Now, student from Mpendae Secondary School, I want you to choose the question and read it, please.
Question number 4. In the natural process in which the top seal of a field is carried away by physical source such as wind and water is called?
Student of Chukwani Secondary School, please answer the question.
Pollen grains.
Incorrect, you made the answer. So now, I want students from Chukwani Secondary School to choose the question and read it, please. Okay, tell us the number, then read the question, please.
Question number 3. The thin upper layer of material covering the Earth's surface is called?
Student from Mpendae Secondary School, answer the question.
Crust.
You made the answer. Now, student from Mpendae Secondary School, I want you to choose the question. Then read to another student of Chukwani Secondary School to answer.
Question number 8. The line on a graph that runs vertically up down through 0 is known as?
Student from Chukwani Secondary School, please answer the question. You didn't answer in time. Now, student from Chukwani Secondary School will read the question to another student of Mpendae Secondary School to answer.
Question number 7. The line on a graph that runs horizontally, left to right through 0 is known as?
Student from Mpendae Secondary School, please answer the question.
Equator.
You missed the answer. Now, student from Mpendae Secondary School, I want you to choose the question and read the question so as another student from Chukwani can answer.
Question number 5. The smallest part of a substance that cannot be broken down chemical is known as?
Student of Chukwani Secondary School, please answer the question.
Atom.
Correct answer. Students, listening viewer, we have completed the 3rd round. Congratulations for best trying and performance. Congratulations to all of you.
Edu quiz. Hey, Edu quiz.
Dear students, listening viewer, this is the last round of our happy Edu quiz competition. It is known as Thunderstorm. Is what? Thunderstorm. It's known what? Thunderstorm. Yes, it is the Thunderstorm round. In this round, the question will answer in relay form. A question will have 4 parts of answer. Students should answer only one part of the answer, while other students will complete the remaining parts. Is it clear, students?
Yes.
And are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
So I will read the question and I'm going to point direct to Mpendae Secondary School to answer the question number 1. Are you ready, students of Mpendae?
Yes.
Okay. Question number 1. What is relative atomic masses of these elements? Are 1. Calcium.
40.
2. Lithium.
3.
3. Iron. 4. Oxygen.
16.
Half answer. Question number 2, Chukwani Secondary School. You will answer question number 2. The color of the gases are 1. Chlorine. 2. Hydrogen sulfide. 3. Nitrogen 6 oxide. 4. Water vapor.
Colorless. Colorless.
Half answer. Question number 3. Name the countries in FIFA World Cup which won in the following year. 2022.
France.
2. 2006.
Brazil.
3. 1966. 4. 1962. You meet the answer. Chukwani Secondary School, question number 4. I want you to listen to the question very carefully so you can give us answer, okay?
Yes.
Question number 4. The structure of the earth is divided into 4 major components. Name them.
Crust.
Core. Half answer. Mpendae Secondary School, question number 5. Mpendae Secondary School, question number 5. I want you to listen very carefully. The question. Y is equal to 2x plus 1. What is the value of y if the value of x is 1? X is equal to 1. Y is equal to 2. X is equal to 5. Y is equal to
11.
3. X is equal to 0. Y is equal to
1.
4. X is equal to A. Y is equal to
0.
half answer. Chukwani Secondary School, question number 6. Chukwani students, question number 6. Listen to the question very, very careful. Given the geometric sequence 2, 4, 8, find the 1. Fourth term is 2. Fifth term is 3. Sixth term is 4. Seventh term is 'You don't answer in time and you miss the answer. So, dear students, listen and viewer, we have completed the 4th round. Now, let me welcome our summarizer, Big Man. He will do summarization, then he will welcome Chief Judge to finalizing the results and the winner of this game.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Quiz Mistress. Now is the time to make some correction that were some of the questions were missed the correct answers. So I think maybe some of you were filled with some sort of fear, and maybe you had some sort of trepidation, but you did wonderful. Congratulations to all of you. So we are going to start with first round, question number 1. Something that flows like a solid or liquid is called as, the correct answer is fluid. The correct answer is fluid. Okay? Okay, students, we are moving back to the answers of question number 2 on the first round, which was the arrangement of electrons in atomic orbitals of an element is called electron configuration. What is called? Electron configuration. Yeah, good. Question number 3, what is 1004 divided by 2? 1004 divided by 2. The correct answer is 502. 502. 502. Okay? Now we are moving to the question number 5. The current president of Kenya. The current president of Kenya is William Ruto. William Ruto. Question number 6. The current president of the United States of America. The current president of the USA is, who is? Is Joe Biden. Joe Biden. And here at the end from the question 8 of round 1. We are back again to the correction of second round, which was part of face to face. And there we had 8 questions there. You tried wonderfully well, but so unfortunate, you got 5 questions, you didn't answer them correctly. So starting with question number 2, which was the product of 131 times 0 times 300 times 4. 131 times 0 times 300 times 4. The correct answer was 0. Okay? I know you're laughing. But the correct answer is 0. The third question was, an intermediate neuron is also known as, relay neuron. It can be called an intermediate neuron, or sometimes it can be called a relay neuron. Question number 5, the atomic number of potassium is 19. The atomic number of potassium is 19. Question number 6, the atomic number of gold is 79. The atomic number of gold is 79. And question number 7 was, the process by which a liquid is converted to gas from the surface at all temperature is known as evaporation. So here at the end for the second round. Okay, welcome back again to the third part of our quiz competition today, which was on the side of turn to turn. There we had 8 questions, and 6 out of 8, you got them correct, but 2 out of 8 were correct, but 6 questions were incorrect. Starting with question number 1, the planet of the solar system that the sun rises in the west and sets in the east is called Venus. It's called Venus. Yeah. The second question is, a planet takes the same number of days for rotation and revolution. It's called what? It's called the Mercury. It's called Mercury. Yeah. Question number 3 was, the thin upper layer of material covering the Earth's surface is called the soil. It's called
Soil.
the soil. Yeah. Question number 4, in the natural process in which the topsoil of a field is carried away by physical sources such as wind and water, what is called? It is called a soil erosion. It is called a soil erosion. Question number 7. The line on a graph that runs horizontally left to right through 0 is known as the line on a graph that runs horizontally from left to right through 0 is known as x-axis. It's known as x-axis. And the last question was number 8. The line on a graph that runs vertically up and down through 0 is known as y-axis. It's known as y-axis.
Edu quiz. Hey, Edu quiz. Happy Edu quiz.
Okay, we are moving back to the last part of our quiz competition for today, which was the 4th round, which was called, and it is still called, a thunderstorm. We are making correction to the second question, question number 1, to the second question. Lithium, the answer is 7. Atomic masses of lithium is 7. And number 3, the atomic masses of iron is 56. The atomic masses of iron is 56. We're moving to the question number 2 of the last part of our quiz competition, which was the part number 4, or we can call it a 4th round, which is a thunderstorm. So question number 2 was the color of the gases. And Roman 1, chlorine is a greenish yellow. The color of chlorine is greenish yellow. Thank you. And number 2, hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide is a colorless. Number 3 is nitrogen 6 oxide. Nitrogen 6 oxide is brown. Now we are moving to the 3rd question. Name the countries in FIFA World Cup which won in the following years. The World Cup in 2022, Argentina was the winner of the World Cup 2022. 2006, 2006, the winner of the World Cup was Italy. The winner was Italy. And 1966, the winner of the World Cup was England. The winner of the World Cup was England. And lastly, 1962, the winner of that World Cup was Brazil. The winner of that World Cup was Brazil, the father of the football, the nation father of the football. We're moving to the question number 4. Question number 4, you answered 3 of them correctly, but you missed. Question number 4, you answered 3 of them correctly, but you just missed the 2 of them, which you missed. Roman number 2, you didn't mention mental. You didn't mention mental. You did just mention core. You didn't say whether it was inner core or outer core. So number 4, you can mention right now an inner core. We can assume that the core that you mentioned was an outer core. So you missed it, the inner core. Question number 5, y is equal to 2x plus 1. What is the value of y if the value x is, you answered them correctly except question number Roman 4. which was x is equals to a, where y will be equals to, the correct answer is 2a plus 1. The correct answer should be 2a plus 1. We are moving to the question number 5. Question number 5, we have already finished question number 5. So now we are moving to the question number 6, where you got one of them, you didn't get any one of them correctly. You had 4 questions there. Given the geometric sequence 2, 4, and 8, find the fourth term is, so Roman 1 was, the fourth term is, the correct answer is 16. The correct answer is 16. Roman 2, fifth term is, the correct answer is 32. The correct answer is 32. Roman 3, sixth term is, the correct answer is 64. The correct answer is 64. And lastly, seventh term is 128. 128. So we have started 16, then the second answer was 32. The third answer is 64, and then lastly is 128. So 16, 32, 64, and 128 were the correct answers for this question. I think now is the right time to give this opportunity to the Chief Judge to announce the result. You did really well, both teams, and well done to you. Chief Judge, it's your time.
Thank you, summarizer, for giving me the last chance for announcing the result of our Happy Edu Quiz competition. We believe in education ground, there is no losers or winners. All of them are winners, okay? The first round, known as toss-up, Mpendae Secondary School got 12 marks and Chukwani Secondary School got 6 marks. The second round, known as face-to-face, Mpendae Secondary School got 6 marks and Chukwani Secondary School got 12 marks. The third round, known as turn-to-turn, Mpendae Secondary School got 6 marks and Chukwani Secondary School got 6 marks. And the last round, known as Thunderstorm, Mpendae Secondary School got 7.5 marks and Chukwani Secondary School got 3.5 marks. The total marks for all rounds, Mpendae Secondary School got 31.5 marks and Chukwani Secondary School got 27.5 marks. So, according to our results for both schools, I announce Mpendae Secondary School as the winner of today's Happy Edu Quiz competition by getting 31.5 marks. Congratulations, Mpendae Secondary School, for winning.
Thank you.
Edu quiz, hey edu quiz, happy edu quiz, happy edu quiz, edu quiz, hey edu quiz, happy edu quiz, happy edu quiz.
Let's brainstorm together and have some fun, have some fun. Let's brainstorm together and have some fun with Happy Edu Quiz.
Edu quiz, hey edu